Ephesians chapter 2, verse 5 and 8 makes that abundantly clear. It says there, it is by grace you have been saved. It is by grace you have been saved. In verse 8, it says there that it is by grace you have been saved, not of works. You have been saved through faith. This is not from yourselves. It's a gift. That's why grace is a gift. Hindi mo kailangang pagpawisan yan. Hindi mo kailangang pagtrabahuan yan. You do not earn it. You are not given grace out of your meritorious works. You are simply saved by the grace of God, and the grace of God is personified, embodied by the appearing of Jesus, the Son of God. That's why it says so back in our text, that the grace of God appeared. Lumitaw, lumabas, nakita ang biyaya ng Diyos. At ang biyaya ng Diyos ay nasa katauhan ng ating mahal na Panginoong Hesukristo. Jesus Christ was and is the embodiment, the personification of grace.